So I'm Matias, I'm a software developer, blah blah blah. Look how cool is this app. Look how cool and cute is this app with error handling included. Oh my god, how did you do this? Are you a full stack engineer, Matias? Okay, what is this? So I always wanted to create apps. I always wanted to create my YouTube channel. Boom! Here we are. So the thing is that this is not my bedroom, okay? So lighting and audio is not ideal. Forgive me for that, okay? Also my English, as you can see, it's not ideal. I'm from Spain, so... The fact is that I started this application back in June 2025, last year. Yeah, 2025 is already last year. And I committed for like 3 weeks, as you can see here. This is the front end and this is the backend. Left it behind. Why? Well, I was not in my best version of myself, you know, self-improvement, that things. But I'm already here and I'm renewed and I've retaken it. What I've done these past few days, as you can see, I've been updating, well, you can't see that, but I've been updating packages, running the project to see if it still works, and I've been shipping some features, well, and some fixes. But there is not that much yet here. As you can see, I have some components and application here, the pages. But yeah, that's a matter of time. Look, I even did some beautiful drafts of the MVP of the ad. Oh my god, you can look. Oh, this is some full stack engineer stuff, man. So what is this app even about? It's basically a productivity time management app where you can like track the time you invest into your projects and into your tasks and your goals. The idea is to turn tracking your time like really easy, like almost frictionless, because we all want the data for analysis and blah, 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 until we have to collect that data, until we have to put the effort to do the checking in the phone, and you know what I'm talking about if you are in this world of software engineer. So this will enable you and teams to see trends, like I already have some MVP things here, some trends, dashboards, and also importantly, it will motivate yourself, like by looking at your strict goals and be aware of how consistent you are, which is something that I honestly need. Always start doing things that are useful for you first. So I'm also planning adding team support to manage your teams easily and see where the time is spent and in which tasks, which type of tasks, you know. This will enable your teams to make better development decisions, estimations, which is something difficult. Also, I will be adding some machine learning and AI to it because honestly, it will do the trick for me to practice AI and machine learning, but I will ship some valuable features. Let me cook, guys, let me cook. Cool, let's see what I got so far. So as you can see here, I was quite surprised by the code, by the way I did back then, because I did implement some reusable and customizable form components here. You can see that in the create page, if I can find it, in this create project page, that it's the one I showed you before. I'm using this form text field with a lot of props because this form text field, it's really customizable. So I will be able to reuse it anywhere and blah, blah, blah. But honestly, I don't think if it pays off that much work to have this high quality code, because I need to ship things, and doing this, it's quite time consuming. And also this drop down I did here, it's totally custom, and it took me a fair amount of time because it has these touchables and this you know, the scroll, it's not that obvious. And by the way, this code, it's all done by me, okay? Any of this code has been generated a single piece by AI, okay? Maybe AI helped me with some, like, you know, typical theory doubts, like how do I do this component, or how can I hide the keyboard in iOS? But any of this code has been done by AI, okay? I don't promise I want to be using Gen AI in the future, the thing is that I just wanted to practice and to learn. I'm not like against Gen AI for coding, okay? I also use it like everyone else. Yeah, that's basically it. And these videos are going to be basically my journal throughout this development process of the application. I will be showing demos, talking about like the technologies I use. Honestly, I will be talking about anything I want because I really love talking. Okay, forgive me for that. So, but I will be in the technical side. I will also be talking about like implementation details, system design decisions, and I don't know, my plans for the next week, etc, etc, etc. I should review this React Native composable styling because it's really verbose, but honestly, that's tech debt for future Matias. I don't even know if that's the best way to implement dynamic styling in React Native. So I don't want to get you bored by unfinished code. So I will be sharing valuable insights in the future, okay, and updates. I will be posting a weekly video about my progress in this app. And I may also do some tutorials about the things I'm learning, but I won't make promises because honestly, recording videos already takes a lot of time, and I don't have that. I don't have that. If you want to follow me, I have this GitHub, okay, and I'm really active in LinkedIn, so I will be, I don't know, in some place in the screen. I will be leaving you the link, also in the description. And I'm also in TikTok and Instagram, but mostly in LinkedIn, okay? So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I don't know, I will be shipping more updates in the future, in the next week, precisely. Yeah, that's it. I'm Matias. Thank you for watching. Cheers.